Okay.
We're too short.
All right. I need alcohol.
There we go. Yeah, that's a back away.
Woo! Oh, pretty.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, see that airplane? We paid for that. What are we trying here?
It didn't
Jesus.
work. All right, Nick, let the drunk man take care of it.
By God, I swear to
Woo! Ready?
All right. What is that? Why did that go towards the house?
Ow.
Whoa.
6, maybe.
Oh my God!
Yes!
Okay, that was cool. We did it.
Yeah!
All right.
We got 6.
All that work did. Over.
I'm alive!
Woo! Woo!
All right, now let's do it with 8 and see what happens.
Do it.
Nope, only gotta get 3.
Yeah. I mean, that was pretty good.
I worked with my...
Holy shit! Woohoo! Good finale. I love shit exploding in my face for a finale. Hell yeah.